Hi everyone, this is Jaden and Austin. Today we will be opening the present. But we will be opening fruits. Austin opened the number one egg. There was a snack cracker. Okay, egg number two. I will open egg number two. What was in it, Austin? What letter is that? We got a letter, an orange E. What's the matter? Oh, some Play-Doh. Show them the Play-Doh. Got the Play-Doh. The fruit salad. Letter. What's that letter? T. B, another B. So, those are all our eggs. So, should we go buy or pause it and put stuff back in the eggs?
Did you hear Daddy?
That's
you want to be able to go to the pop all this week?
Okay, Austin.
Go
The
upstairs.
video's